Calling all small business owners! Are you guys planning on creating your own training manual soon? Do you need help to execute it? Don't worry, I got you. Hi guys, I'm Jam and here are some basic tips on how to execute your own training manual. Number 1, get your training outline. This will be your skeleton or basis for the flow of your manual. Number 2, decide on which software to use. Pang Mac ba or pang Microsoft, diba? Iba-iba kasi yan. Number 3, have an elementary mindset. You have to think as if your trainee doesn't know anything yet at all. Number 4, simplify. Ayaw natin ng complicated, oo. And number 5, start creating it. Here are the basic pages that must be seen in your training manuals. Number 1, cover page, of course. Number 2, training overview, nandun yung training description, objectives, and strategies. Number 3, table of contents, you all know that. Number 4, chapter pages, yung mga front page per chapter, pwede mong lagyan ng tags and labels. Number 5, training content, of course, content per chapter. And number 6, the sources. I normally make 2 training manuals per program. The first one is the trainer's manual where all the details are there, lahat complete, while the second one is the worksheet. Ito ko nilalagyan ng mga fill in the blanks and empty boxes para yung mga trainees sumusunod na lang at nagsusulat habang discussion. Remember, less text, more pictures. Ayan, now you know how to create your own training manual. Always remember that it has to be something that's very easy to digest or madaling intindihin, hindi nakaka-overwhelm para sa inyong mga trainees. Don't forget to comment for further questions. Thank you and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!